Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Bread Financial, a company that's been making a lot of headlines lately. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's ask ourselves a question. Is Bread Financial a Fortune 500 company? Now, I know what you're thinking. You might be wondering why this is even a question. After all, Bread Financial is a pretty big company, right? Well, yes and no. While Bread Financial is certainly a large and successful company, it's not actually on the Fortune 500 list. So, what's the deal? Let's dive into the details and find out the answer to this question once and for all. What is the Fortune 500 list? Fortune 500 logo. Before we can answer our question, we need to understand what the Fortune 500 list is. It's a list of the 500 largest companies in the United States, ranked by their annual revenue. The list is compiled by Fortune magazine, and it's been published annually since 1955. So, if Bread Financial isn't on the Fortune 500 list, that means it's not one of the 500 largest companies in the United States, right? Well, not exactly. The Fortune 500 list only includes publicly traded companies. Bread Financial is a privately held company, so it's not eligible to be included on the list. So, is Bread Financial a big company? Bread Financial logo. Yes, Bread Financial is a big company, even though it's not on the Fortune 500 list. In fact, it's one of the largest privately held companies in the United States. In 2021, Bread Financial had revenue of $19.6 billion. That's a lot of money. Bread Financial is also a very successful company. It has been profitable for over 20 years, and it has a strong track record of growth. In recent years, Bread Financial has been expanding its business into new markets and launching new products. What does Bread Financial do? Bread Financial is a financial services company that offers a variety of products and services to consumers and businesses. Some of its key products and services include credit cards, private label credit cards, retail installment loans, specialty finance products, loyalty programs. Bread Financial serves a wide range of customers, including consumers, retailers, banks, financial institutions. Where is Bread Financial headquartered? Bread Financial is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio. It has over 10,000 employees worldwide. So, is Bread Financial a Fortune 500 company? No, Bread Financial is not a Fortune 500 company. It is a privately held company, so it is not eligible to be included on the list. However, Bread Financial is still a large and successful company. It is one of the largest privately held companies in the United States, and it has a strong track record of growth. In conclusion, Bread Financial is a large and successful company, but it is not a Fortune 500 company. It is a privately held company, so it is not eligible to be included on the list. However, Bread Financial is still one of the largest privately held companies in the United States, and it has a strong track record of growth. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.